Is this claim that the suit is a misfire accurate, you think?
Yeah,
is there meat behind it?
Yeah, Uber's whole argument is that their LiDAR system, that's the sensor that allows cars to, quote, see the world around them. Their argument is we didn't steal this technology. And in fact, if you look at our custom LiDARs, it's totally different. They have Waymo uses a single lens laser array. We have a dual lens laser array. So even if we did, or even if our Lewandowski, who's our self-driving car boss, even if he did steal those files, Waymo's saying, he didn't use them. They never touched Uber technology at all. So their whole case hinges on the fact that they think they can prove that their technology is different. And at the same time, they kind of admitted they're behind in self-driving technology. Those self-driving Ubers that you've seen in Pittsburgh and all that kind of stuff, they're using commercially available LiDAR.